In this module, we will learn about frame structure for numerologies 0, 1 and 2. So let us start with frame structure for numerology 0, which is 15 kilohertz subcarrier spacing. So in this case, the frame size is 10 millisecond, which is for all the numerologies. So frame duration is common for all numerologies, that is 10 millisecond. The 10 millisecond frame will contain 10 number of subframes of 1 millisecond each. So you have subframes 0, 1, 2 up to 9. So the subframe duration is 1 millisecond. This is also common for all numerologies. Now let us look at slot per subframe. So how many slots will be there in a subframe of 1 millisecond? That depends upon the numerology, because number of slots is equal to 2 to the power mu. In our case, mu is 0. So 2 to the power 0 is 1. So one subframe will contain only one slot. So slot per subframe is 1, and hence slot duration is also 1 millisecond, equal to the subframe duration. Now, how many symbols it can contain? So it will contain 14 symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 13. So every slot will have 14 number of symbols, irrespective of the slot size and numerology. Generally, number of symbols per slot is 14, except for numerology 2, where there can be 12 symbols. So in our case, symbols per slot is 14. And how many slots will be there in a subframe SF? Because one SF of 1 millisecond is having only one slot, so symbols will also be 14. And then how many symbols will be there in the 10 millisecond frame? So since it contains 10 subframes, so 10 times, so 14 into 10 is 140 symbols per frame. F here is frame, SF is subframe. Now let us look at frame structure for numerology 1, that is 30 kilohertz subcarrier spacing. So as we said that the frame is common for all numerologies, that is 10 millisecond duration. Subframe is also of 1 millisecond. Now for numerology 1, number of slots will be 2. So within 1 millisecond subframe, we have one slot, second slot, because number of slots is 2 to the power mu, and mu is 1, so 2 to the power 1 is 2, so 2 slots. So now every slot duration will be half of the subframe duration, so it becomes 0.5 millisecond. So slot duration is 0.5 millisecond, and number of symbols per slot is 14 symbols. So now we have 14 symbols here, 14 symbols here. So in one subframe, in one SF, number of symbols will be 14 plus 14 is equal to 28. Now what will be number of symbols in a frame? So since it contains 10 subframe and every subframe has 2 slots, so it is 10 times. So 280 number of symbols in a frame. So now let us look at frame structure for numerology 2, that is 60 kilohertz subcarrier spacing. So our frame size is 10 millisecond containing 10 subframe of 1 millisecond. So now how many slots per subframe? So number of slots is 2 to the power mu. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. So now this 1 millisecond subframe will have 4 slots, 1, 2, 3, 4 for this numerology mu2. So 4 slots per subframe per SF. Now what is the slot duration? It becomes 4 times. I mean, you have to divide 1 millisecond by 4, not 4 times. There are 4 slots in one subframe, so slot duration become 1/4, that is 0.25 millisecond. Symbols per slot, So it will be 14 or 12. So in 16 kilohertz on numerology 2, number of symbols per slot is either 14 or 12 depending upon whether we are using normal cyclic prefix or extended cyclic prefix. We will learn detail about it in another course. Now how many symbols per subframe? So 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14, that is 14 into 4 number of symbols are there in 1 millisecond subframe. So it will be 56. And then how many symbols in the frame itself? So it is 10 times 56 into 10 is 560. So click next on top right menu for proceeding to next module of the course.